Take you on a little tour. It's the bathroom. Clean that tub. Dripping. Clean the mirror. Oh, clean, you can see me. A cleaner. Some screens are here at the bed. Trying to get the paint off this stairwell. Okay. We got a pretty big closet. You see? Oh, I just stepped on. This is gonna be Kemet's room, or our main room, while I fix the rest of the house. It's a nice ceiling fan. Let me put the light on. Oh, damn. Here we go. Some curtains up. It's gonna be my room. It's kind of cool. There's a little closet that goes from this room to the other room. This is a little room. There's a leak right there. I gotta figure out where it's coming from. Let me see my car out there. I like this little extra room. You can see it, like, so here's the room, and then there's like a little extra side room. It could be like an office or art room. Or a little art room. I fix the window. Fix this leak a little bit. I'll keep this door shut for now. Alright, I'm leaving now. That's why I'm taking y'all on a tour. I need to paint out this door. Hold on. Go downstairs. That's the kitchen. Cleaned it up a little bit. I get rid of this wallpaper. Scrub down the cabinets. It's like the difference between rich people and poor people. Rich people are like, oh, let's just tear these cabinets out. Poor people are like, let's scrub these cabinets down. Okay. This is the, I guess, the living room. One of the living room. Another living room. Front door. These some toilets I got on Craigslist. This is the laundry room. There's a little bathroom there. It's the laundry room. Need some work. Little things like this, and holes in the wall that are annoying to get to. This is the garage. Up there. Outside. I changed the locks in here, but I changed it. It's a little entryway. It's like reverse tour. Bought me a case of beer at the store earlier. Oh, sorry about that. Some record. I'll place this slot in this store, but awesome. Now, let's head to the garage. That door. Been digging up this little shrubbery. A whole lot of plants in front of the house. Right here. I dug all this up. It kind of looks like this side looks, but higher up.